Today I'll show you how to create a simple half up, half down hairstyle on thick, heavy and long hair. Start by dividing the hair into rows so you can comfortably curl thin strands. This will allow each strand to be evenly heated. If your hair is very long and heavy, use a curling iron with a smaller diameter. You can also let your hair cool in clips, which will help maintain the curl longer than when using large strands. If you randomly curl your hair with a low temperature tool, holding them on the curling iron for a short time, the hair may not heat up properly. The result will be uneven. Some of the hair will remain straight, and even hairspray won't save such a curl. Creating a long-lasting hairstyle takes time. For example, it's impossible to curl such hair in 20 minutes. I use a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, and it's important to thoroughly check how well the strands are heated, especially important to heat the hair well and let it cool if you plan to comb it at the end. I will also comb the hair with a brush, and you will see that my curl has been preserved. At the end, I'll show how to create an elegant half up, half down hairstyle with the rubber bands. It's a very simple and elegant way. I hope you like it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.